Edexcel chose to love me today. They did. So I did the biology exam today and it went friggin' great. Obviously I answered every question, but I think there was about 2 one-marker questions that I probably might have got wrong. And then I understood the majority of the paper. I had understood over 75% of the paper fully understood it, probably fully got full marks. But then obviously there was just a few questions that I'm not fully certain or sure, and I knew what it was about, I knew what was going on, I just wasn't fully certain. And that's okay because that happens. But I'm really happy about that paper. It was literally on all of my strongest topics. All the ones that I revised last night was on there, which I'm so about. And on the questions that I wasn't fully 100% on, I wasn't certain on, but obviously that I knew what was going on, do you know what I mean? I definitely picked up a mark on each of them questions, or half marks on them questions. I think there's probably 2 questions that I probably got fully wrong, maybe, just from me being a fucking idiot. I'm not even gonna lie to you, I got to one point in the paper where I thought, am I doing a foundation paper? And for you that are gonna ask me, I did Edexcel higher, not triple, just combined biology paper 1. But I was so baffled. One of the questions was just, what's the volume of this cube of potato? And I was thinking, huh? Is this a maths exam? And the bloody 6 marker was on reflex arcs, I don't know, which is okay. I'm not very strong in that topic. I'm not very strong in the nervous system or anything, but I am quite strong in arc reflexes. I'm not gonna lie, I probably only picked up half marks in there because it was asking me to think of functions and all that stuff, but I couldn't even think of 3. I don't know how many they want me to bloody pull out of my pocket. I'm just going to say, overall, the exam actually went quite great. And tomorrow, I've got English Literature, Paper 1, AQA, Macbeth and Christmas Carol, which I'm actually going to do quite good in. Because, that's what I do. After I've done my hair, I'm going to just go through some quotations, make sure I know AO1, AO2, AO3. Well, AO1 is quotations, interpretations and ideas. AO2 is methods, so simile, metaphors, all them type of things, nouns. And then AO3 is bloody context. One top tip, write AO1, AO2 and AO3 at the very top of your paper. Helps me. Ow! Anyways, they were just my thoughts on the exam, and to be honest, after this exam it's kind of boosted my confidence, and I think the only exam that I'm actually kind of semi-scared for is the maths ones. I'm just a little bit nervous. Anyways, they're just my thoughts on the exam. And tomorrow I'll do my thoughts on the English exam. So that's great. Also, tell me what you guys thought of the exam and what exam board you used and what tier it was, higher foundation. Because I want to know. I really want to know if you found it hard or easy or whatever.